Savior of Ghana, because he is not selfish. He didn't come only for his kingdom and nation, but for the whole of Ghana. When things are difficult for any president in Ghana, and there's no hope in the world, to him to use his influence to achieve what presidents and chiefs are limited by infant word for tribalism. All tribes should acknowledge him and serve under him to be impacted grace.
Dear Ghana, let me tell you something. The presence of this king has helped Ghana achieve some purpose. If we don't celebrate him to the world, one day we will regret his absence. And that's when we will know how influential he was. This precious king I am talking about is Otumfor. Nana, please, if Ghana and its leaders don't cherish you, please sit at your throne and focus on your nation, Ashanti, because we love you and we will serve you forever. We love you, Nana. We love you, Otumfor. Ashanti man loves you so much. Please take good care of yourself for us. Your grandchildren are proud of you. I know many people wish you death because of envy and witchcraft, but it won't succeed. Thinking of chiefs and ignorant people who speak against you reminds me of your greatness as a king. Even when faced with insults from jealous chiefs and foolish individuals, you remain committed to providing solutions for Ghana without regret. You were born for this, Nana. Truly born for this, Otumfor.
Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Efisoni biaye mewa otisemu. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Efisoni biaye mewa otisemu. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Efisoni biaye mewa otisemu. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Efisoni biaye mewa otisemu. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Efisoni biaye mewa otisemu. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Yesu mobiaye besu mukwa. Efisoni biaye mewa otisemu.
Annuncio vobis gaudium magnum. Habemus papam. Eminentissimum, ac reverendissimum Dominum, Dominum Robertum Franciscum, Sancte Romane Ecclesiae, Cardinalem Prevost, qui sibi nomen imposuit Leonem XIV.
Passio Domini nostri Iesu Christi, secundum Ioanne. Et inclinato capite, tradidit spiritum.
Gesù non è stato semplicemente arrestato, ma ha offerto la sua vita
Peter's eyes are falling.
Here we are.
There we are.
Pope Leo XIV is now
Pope Leo
appearing,
XIV.
coming to the central loggia of the Basilica.
Very special moment.
Very special moment.
And here he is. There he is,
And the applause going up, the greeting, the waving,
big
the
smiles. How amazing.
How amazing.
And Dr. Lislev was also talking about the symbolism of the red that he's wearing. You know, it is a sacrificial role, and that is the symbol of the cloth that he's wearing right now.
And we see this beautiful close-up view from the side there, at the same level as the loggia. Pope Leo XIV.
Pope Leo XIV.
Amazing. Smiling.
A smiling
and
Pope, yes.
You can see who wouldn't be taken by the moment and
I think going through his mind, you know, the weight of this responsibility.
Oh yeah. You can see it on his face.
You can see it on his face.
Amazing.
After this, you're never the same person.
No.
And we're hearing the bands below, the mutual salute of the anthems, the hymns, you know, Vatican hymn and the Italian national anthem, as we do traditionally at the Easter and Christmas, as we've mentioned.
And after this, now Pope Leo XIV, he will give a greeting and impart his first apostolic blessing, the Urbi et Orbi, to the city and to the whole world.
So that blessing extends to everyone who is watching, everyone who is listening, your family, wherever you are. It's a great moment to prepare ourselves for this first blessing.
This most solemn blessing. You can just feel and see the emotion on his face.
Yeah.
And the crowds that are gathered there,
and all the flags are ready.
And Thaddeus, because since this is your third conclave in Rome.
In Rome, yes.
And
well,
so
I haven't been a conclave elsewhere.
No, but you've been in Rome.
Yes. Oh yeah.
But have you ever had the opportunity? Because I know working here, we're always pretty much in here. But have you ever had the chance to run out to the square or see the excitement?
For Pope Benedict, I was up there on the colonnade there. If you're looking here on the footage here, you can see here on the left side there on that colonnade there where the statues are, on top of the Charlemagne wing of the colonnade.
White smoke, we have a pope. We have a pope. The cheers are coming up. Do we hear the bells ringing? One of the things that has happened is that because it was difficult to tell white smoke from black smoke, they instituted the ringing of the bells. But now, on day 2 of this conclave, the Catholic Church, 1.4 billion Catholics, we have a new pope. Bishop.
Habemus Papam.
Habemus Papam, Bishop.